Whoa, 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 whoa. Hey, staring at your dress cause it's see-through. Yeah, talking all the shit that you done been through. Yeah, say that you a lesbian, girl, me too. Hey, girls want girls where I'm from. Hey, yeah, girls want girls where I'm from.
Hey girl, hey, welcome back to another wig video. So today's wig is going to be a T-part lace frontal wig from LuvMeHair. Now I have done a T-part wig install many years ago and it wasn't really all that. So I'm anxious to see the improvements that has been done on the T-part wig from LuvMeHair. So first off, let's jump right into it. So this wig comes with an elastic band. I think this is pretty much standard now with most lace frontal wigs, is to have this elastic band to make sure you don't have to do like a glue install if you don't want to. And of course, y'all know I love me a wig that comes with the elastic straps in the back because this is going to give a more secure, snug fit. Now let's get into the actual lace or the construction of the wig. Now, it doesn't say what type of lace this is, but it's definitely giving like HD or transparent. It's definitely not a basic type of lace. Now, this wig does come with a pre-plucked hairline, but it doesn't give how much of the hairline has been plucked, but it's probably like 1 inch to 2 inches. Not a whole lot, girl, but honestly, we don't need that much. So this wig does come with 13 or 12 inches of parting space from ear to ear, and then it does come with 5 inches of parting space where you see that little bit of parting space right there where that T is. So you're pretty much going to be able to do like a side part with this wig, and I'm going to be doing a curve part with this wig. So if you've been trying to do the perfect like T part, side part, curve part wig, this is going to be the perfect wig for you, sis. So let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, and by the way, I did not do any type of bleaching or plucking on this wig. Definitely supposed to be beginner friendly, so we're going to get into it and we're going to see if that's true. And of course, first thing first, let's go ahead and put the wig on so you girls can see exactly what the hairline looks like, what the lace looks like. Again, I did not do any type of bleaching, no plucking to this wig. This is exactly what the wig looks like straight out of the pack. And honestly, again, I am very surprised at how good this wig is looking so far and how good the lace actually looks so far as well. I'm trying to look and see if there's like a HD or transparent lace, but it's nothing indicating on the website what type of lace this is. But yeah, girl, so far it's definitely looking real nice. So I'm just going to pull some of the hairs out around the hairline so you girls can really get into it a little bit more, just in case you do want to go in and pluck some of the hairs to just thin out the hairline a little bit. But you definitely don't have to. So I'm going to show you what happens if you decide to part anywhere besides like where that T is. You're not going to be able to do so. So you're definitely going to have to part exactly where that that T part of lace is. So again, you're going to be able to do like a side part or a curve part with this wig. So that's what I'm going to be doing with this install, of course.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
I'm not even gonna hold y'all. This wig right here, for the purpose of this curve part, this side part situation, is perfect. And like the texture of this wig and how beautiful this wig looks once heat is applied to it. Oh my God. Like, I gotta get this wig in a longer texture because, baby, the way this wig is sitting on my head and the way it's blending into my skin and the way it's just laid, and it ain't even, I ain't even finished yet. Like, I can already tell this is about to be a bomb ass install. Like, look at how beautiful, like, it's so much body in this wig already. I can just already tell this is going to be a nice ass install. Like, period. Period.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Okay, y'all, and as I expected, this wig is so damn bomb. Like, I knew this wig was going to be perfect. I knew this texture was going to be everything. I knew it was going to be melted. I knew it was going to be flawless. And most importantly, it's glueless. I ain't have to use no holding spray. I ain't have to use nothing to secure this wig down. So it is definitely glueless. It's beginner friendly, like perfect. Didn't take much to get this wig to look like this. So make sure you check out that description bar. Check out LuvMeHair. They definitely did their thing with this T-part lace frontal wig. You cannot tell me this is not my hair. This bob wig is everything, y'all. Get into it. The texture is amazing. Now, y'all know I love me like a yaki, light yaki texture. I'm not usually with this silky straight texture no more. It's just too soft for me. It's just, I just don't do it for me. But honestly, with this wig, y'all, it is perfect. So make sure you get your hands on this wig. It is definitely a must-have in your wig collection. Look at how beautiful the parting space is on this wig. Even though the parting space is very limited, you cannot tell that it is a T-part wig. It's perfect. It is a perfect wig that you can put on and literally go, and you don't have to worry about tussling literally with the lace. So make sure you check out that description bar. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see y'all in the next wig video. Bye.